Today we're going to be learning how to make a fraction line plot. Now to do that, we need a set of fractions and a number line. Here's our number line right here. Change the size of that. And up here we have our fraction representations. They are visual fractions. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write the value of each of these fractions right next to it. We're going to write the value of the shaded areas. So in this first one, 5 of them are shaded, and there are a total of 9 pieces. In the next one, there are 3 shaded out of a total of 9. The next one, 6 shaded out of 9. The next one, 8 shaded out of 9. And 6 shaded out of 9. This one we have 7 shaded out of 9. 1 shaded out of 9. 3 out of 9 are shaded. This one has 2 out of 9 that are shaded. This one has 3 out of 9, 4 out of 9, 6 out of 9, and 1 out of 9 are shaded. Now, the purpose of the line plot is to keep track of how many of each fraction that we have. So for each fraction, we're going to put an X on the number line. So our first one is 5/9. We'll put an X on 5/9. And then we're going to cross that off because we've already marked it. Our next one is 3/9, and then we'll cross it off. The next one is 6/9. We're going to cross that off. The next one is 8/9. Cross that off. 6/9. We're going to cross that off. 7/9. 1/9. 3/9. 2/9. 3/9. 4/9. 6/9. and 1/9. And now we have filled out our fraction line plot. Now notice that each of these values had 9 in the denominator. And so it made it very simple to just write the fraction down and find out where it landed on the number line plot. Now, on our next example, we're going to get rid of this one. And on our next example, our line plot looks a little bit different. Down here we've got eighths and fourths and halves, and they're not all the same. So when they're not all the same, what we need to do is we need to go through and make them the same. Since 8 is our largest number for denominators, we're going to use all eighths. So we're going to say 1/8. Oops, hang on a minute. Okay, I was in the wrong spot. We have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. Okay, so 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. These are the same. 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8, and 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. But now we have everything in eighths. Didn't mean to do that. Now we're going to go to the top, and again we're going to write our fraction. This is giving us a spot right in the center where we can write our fraction. Each of these is divided into 8 sections. So we're going to go ahead and just fill out our denominator first. That tells us how many parts are in the whole thing. And then we're going to look at how many parts are shaded. In this first one, we have 3 parts that are shaded. In this one, we have 1 part that is shaded. In this one, we have 4 parts that are shaded. In this one, 2 parts. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded in this one. 2 parts are shaded in this one, and 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded in this one. Now we can go ahead and fill out our number line plot. Our first one is 3/8. We're going to put our X right there, cross it off. Next one is 1/8, cross it off. Next one is 4/8, and here we have our 4/8. Remember, 4/8 and 1/2 are the same. We're going to make our mark here, cross it off. 2/8, cross it off. 5/8, cross it off. 4/8 again, cross it off. 2/8, in, cross it off, and another 4/8, cross it off. And there's our number line plot for that one. And that's how you do number line plots.